Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using your Visa card. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you want to log into your Pocket Option account, and once you're in, you want to go to the Finance section on the left sidebar and click Deposit. Alternatively, you can also click your profile icon at the top right corner and just select Deposit from there. So let's go ahead and click Deposit. From here, you'll see a list of available payment methods. And from this list, you want to find and click on Visa. Just scroll down. There we go. And before you proceed, you want to make sure that your account is verified because only verified users can make Visa transactions on Pocket Option. So before we click this, let's talk about limits. The minimum deposit amount is $20 and the maximum is $50,000. The processing time is super fast, usually just a few seconds to a minute. All right, so let's go ahead and enter the amount you want to deposit. So click this. So from here, just enter the amount. For example, we want to say 100. Oh, let's just go with this amount, 8750. So if you have a promo code, you can also enter it at this stage. Just click on this one. And then once that's done, just go ahead and click on the deposit button. As you can see, I have here a message saying that I still need to verify my profile. As I mentioned earlier, you do need to verify your profile first. So if you have it, just click on verify your profile. Now from here, just simply enter your, once you're done with this, there should be an option here to proceed. Just simply click on that, and then on the next page, simply enter your Visa card details, your card number, expiration date, and security code. Then confirm the transaction. And basically, that's it. You've successfully deposited money into your Pocket Option account using your Visa card, and you're ready to start trading right away. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.